Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this is where I used the background. There's a glitch, and we'll get to it. Don't worry.
So something to look forward to, kids.
Yeah.
Hey, kids.
Scarabs vs. Warthogs.
I decided not to put it in game glitches, but that's okay.
Well, you know, I mean...
Well, these 5 warthogs were very prestigious.
They died very well.
And we decided to make it. We decided to do it like like it would be in a standard match where it was.
See, they were planning on building a plaque to honor all these warthogs, but the Scarabs destroyed that too.
Where it was 2 Scarabs versus 40 warthogs, like you would find in a standard match.
And then they proceeded to discharge upon this.
they discharged from the rear end. They thought that would deter and confuse the Scarab. But the Scarab is too cunning of a creature. Its armor plating and its giant vomit gun is too focused. It destroys everything it touches.
So why do we eat all those glowworms? I don't know.
Yeah, seriously. They're so good though.
And there's like warthogs not even doing anything.
They're almost worth the burning feeling coming out of the man. Yeah, he's like, I'll take them all on.
I know, really, it's like, ah.
So this was just kind of like after they destroyed them all, you were just like, you know what, I'm just gonna...
Well,
are they ramming
these guys? They destroyed all these guys, and then we realized there was one left, and we couldn't find it. And this is why.
Oh. It's like the battle's not over.
So it's funny because he actually tries to get up there.
Oh my... What? Wow, did he just like... That's amazing.
He's like... He like starts jumping.
Gosh, they should get Commander Shepard to drive warthogs all the time. Look at this.
It's a Mako!
He's like floating in midair now.
Yeah.
It's like...
Harry!
Oh.
Stop using magic. Oh, wow.
I know, we tried to get him up there to see if he could take him on, but then we were like, whatever. So we decided to Mac round him.
Hey guys, I'm coming back to the battle. Hold on, I know you guys are winning. I'm coming back. Hey, just take him out, sir. Just take him out. This is our chance. Hey guys.
Alright, so it looks like Mac rounds win. Scarabs.